Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring money from your Affirm account. So first of all, you gotta launch the Affirm app and make sure you have available funds in your Affirm money or linked savings balance. Once you have confirmed that, head over to the banking, balance or savings area inside the app. From there, tap on the option for sending funds or making a transfer. Then select the bank account you previously connected to your profile. After that, type in the amount you want to move and approve the transaction to continue. Transfers usually take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to show up in your bank account, although timing can vary depending on your financial institution. If you don't currently have access to an Affirm savings or money account, some users explore alternative methods such as processing purchases and refunds or use third-party wallet services to move funds indirectly before accessing the balance. And that's pretty much the full process. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.